The next topic we'll be covering is dynamic data masking. Dynamic data masking, or DDM, in Azure is a feature that helps prevent unauthorized access to sensitive data. It is a security feature of Azure SQL Database, Azure Synapse Analytics, and SQL Server that automatically conceals sensitive data in the result set of a query. For example, if you have a credit card number stored as 1234567891011121, a dynamic data masking rule might conceal the numbers with all X's, except for the ending 4 numbers in the query results, ensuring most of the data stays protected and away from prying eyes. Dynamic data masking is useful for scenarios where you want to provide a level of data security without needing to modify database operations. It's often used in scenarios like reducing the exposure of sensitive data in your database when users are running reports or analytics, and preventing accidental exposure of sensitive data, especially when data is being used for development or testing purposes. Key features: real-time masking. Data is masked in real time and does not affect the underlying data stored in the database. The actual data remains intact and is not physically changed. Customizable masking patterns. You can define different types of masks depending on the nature of the data, from partially hiding email addresses to fully masking credit card numbers, except the last 4 digits. The choices are vast and flexible. Role-based access control. Unmasking permissions can be granted to users who need to access the actual data. Ease of use. Dynamic data masking is simple to set up and doesn't require changes to the database or applications. Common use cases for dynamic data masking include protecting personally identifiable information, financial data, and other sensitive data types in non-production environments or in applications with user roles that require access to a database but not all of its sensitive data. So that's an overview of dynamic data masking.